Hi, and welcome to another day of classwork. We'll be doing the problem solving for page 178. All right, so if we take a look at number one says that an artist uses 49 4/10 centimeters of decorative molding to make a square picture frame. How long is each side? So they use decorative molding, and that's going to go around the outside of the frame. So first we had to figure out, what does this 49 4/10 represent? So what that's going to represent is the perimeter. They also told us that it was a square. And since it's a square, that means that all four sides are the same. So that's what these little tally marks represent. So I have to figure out if this is the perimeter, all four sides are the same. I want to know how long is each side. So I'm going to be splitting my 49 4/10 up with four sides. Okay, so once again, I did my groups chart. All right, one group of four, I have 4 in that. Two groups of 4, I have 8 in that, so forth and so on. And then I'm going to use the standard method where I group, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So 4 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. I subtract, and then I bring down. Now I have 9. That means I can make 2 groups. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then I'll bring down the 4. Okay. I have 14. I can now make 3 groups. 3 times 4 is 12. I subtract. So now that's only 12 3/10. So what you have to do is, if you don't see your answer, is you have to add an extra 0 right here for a placeholder. Now I can bring that 0 down and go with that 2. And now 4 goes into 25 times. All right, let's take a look at number 18. Number 18 says Ari divides by 6 and gets a quotient of 9 3/10. So what is the dividend? So in this problem, it's like a vocabulary problem. They gave me the divisor. They gave me the quotient. I am trying to figure out what the dividend is, so I have to work backwards and multiply. So this is your multiplication right here. Okay. And for number 19, it's a very long problem, okay, because you're going to have to divide twice. So the question wants to know, what is the difference between the vehicles in the gallons of gasoline consumption per mile? So in order to figure that out, so they told me that this is how many miles, and this takes 9 gallons. This is how many miles, and it takes 8 gallons. So what I'm going to have to do is divide to figure out how much it is per gallon, okay? So I divided one of them using the standard method. All right, so I'll give you a minute to take or a second to take a look at that using the standard method. Okay, and then I divided this one using the skip counting method. So I'll give you a second to take a look at that using the skip count method, whichever method you prefer. And now, in order to find the difference for the last step, I would subtract. All right, so let me zoom out here, get you a good glimpse of page 178. And as you can see right here, I crossed that out. That was a little mistake that I made. That's why we use pencils in math. All right, please complete the rest of the assignment. Thank you.